Welcome back to SmartSpeak English.
Great to be back.
So today we're doing a deep dive into something really fundamental for speaking clearly. English tenses.
Absolutely. Present, past, future. Sounds simple, but getting them right is key.
Yeah, we want to make understanding them, when to use which one, feel a bit more automatic for you. Less like a test, more like just talking.
Exactly. We've looked at the core ideas, trying to boil it down so it clicks.
Okay, let's start with the present tense. Now, this isn't just about, what I'm doing right this second, is it?
No, not entirely. It definitely covers things happening now, but also your regular stuff. Habits, routines.
Right, I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. That's a habit, something I do often.
Perfect example. That tells us it's regular, but then you also have the right now part.
Like she is reading a book, that ing thing.
Precisely. The present continuous that tells you it's in progress at this moment. So you have simple present for habits, I eat, and present continuous, she is reading, for now.
Okay, got it. And facts too, right. Things that are just generally true.
Mm-hmm. Like, the sun rises in the east. That's a fact, so we use the simple present. It's always true.
Makes sense. Okay, let's switch gears, go back in time. Past tense.
Right. So this is for actions that are done, finished, over.
Like, I watched a movie last night. Happened yesterday. It's done.
Exactly. Or they went to the park yesterday. Again, completed action in the past.
Now, this is where it gets a bit tricky sometimes, isn't it? With the verbs.
Yes. The irregular verbs. They don't just slap an ed on the end.
Yeah. Like, you don't say good, right?
Definitely not. It's went. Or see becomes saw, take becomes took.
So those you kind of just have to learn.
Hmm.
Or get used to hearing.
Pretty much. Exposure helps a lot. You hear them, you use them, they start to feel natural. It takes practice.
Okay, so that's now and that's then. What about later? Future tense.
Looking ahead, yeah. The future tense is for what hasn't happened yet, but will.
And the main ways are using will or going to.
Yeah. Those are the big ones. They signal future actions or plans.
So I could say, I will call you tomorrow. That's a future promise or plan using will.
Spot on. Or, she is going to study tonight. That uses going to, often for something already planned or intended.
It's like these tenses put little time stamps on everything.
That's a great way to think about it, timelines. And actually, there's a casual shortcut people use a lot.
Oh, you mean like gonna?
Yeah. Instead of saying the full, I am going to cook dinner, you'll very often hear, I'm going to cook dinner.
Much more relaxed. Good tip for understanding real conversations.
Definitely. And that's something for you, the listener, to start tuning into how people actually talk. Okay, maybe a super quick recap.
Let's do it. Present. Happens now or regularly.
Yeah.
I play guitar.
Past. Already done. I played guitar yesterday.
Future. Will happen. I will play guitar tomorrow. Simple.
So the big takeaway here is really about when. Understanding the timeline helps you pick the right tense. It makes your meaning clear.
Totally.
Yeah.
And honestly, the more you listen, the more you read actual English, the more intuitive this gets. You start to feel what sounds right.
It's not just about memorizing rules. It's about absorbing the patterns. Consistent listening, trying things out yourself, that's the path.
Getting these basic time frames down really opens up how much you can express.
For sure, it's foundational.
And think about this. You already understand time in your own language. Applying that logic to English tenses can really help it all fall into place. Anyway, thanks for joining us for this tense deep dive.
Hope it was helpful. See you next time.